Playing and learning. It's how boys from two different institutions spent their day recently after visiting an auto parts shop. Here's Kian Morgan with this evening's edition of A Ray of Hope.
A bus packed with smiles, anticipation, and boys from the Ebenezer and Ferguson primary and infant schools who are excited about the day's events. With hard hats on and a zeal to learn something new, the over 50 boys depart their coaster onto the premises of Neil's Auto Service to experience firsthand what it's like to work in the automotive industry. CEO Bunny Neil says that since the company's inception, the goal has always been to show youngsters that there's variety in the working world.
Not everybody can become a lawyer or a doctor, but it is important that you have to have a skill. And even the doctor, they need to know about their cars.
Mr. Neil says the aim is also to help steer boys from a tender age in the right direction.
Service cars, take off wheels, wash the power wash, they clean. And they went and looked at a total last car that we just putting back together.
We can't wait until things start happening, so we are educating them so that they can, remain civil, they can be calm.
Cluster-based guidance counselor for both schools, Marie Davis Williams, says usually guests are invited to the schools to give the boys a pep talk. However, this time around, they wanted a change of scenery.
We are all about empowering our boys especially now when, the boys are usually trotting behind the girls, and we don't want to see that trend. We want to see the boys stand up and become productive men in our society.
And the boys could not wait to get their hands dirty.
It was very nice because it's the first time I'm starting a car.
I get to wipe off the top of the car because I was the tallest one there.
When I take off the lug, sir, and the next man, he take off the tire, sir, I see the brakes. I wash the car with the power wash. It was my first time using it.
We're kind of stimulating them at this time, so they start to dream. Yes, and they'll start dreaming about what they want to be when they grow up and go towards what they really want.
With A Ray of Hope, I'm Kian Morgan.